Quick and easy techniques for lifting the mulberry peelable wax away from the skin. We're going to use Tracy's arm here to demo, the waxing arm. The most important thing when you're putting your wax on the skin is to make sure that you have nice clean edges. If you have raggedy edges, you will not be able to remove that strip cleanly. It will snap when you come to lift it from the skin. So you want to make sure the edges of your strip are nice and even like so. If you've got a good edge, like we have here, nice clean edge, you'll often find that you can simply stretch the skin and that wax will just lift away like so. No picking required, especially if you finish in a hair-free area, it will just lift nice and easily away from the skin. If your edge is a little thinner or you finished in the middle of hair, that can be a little uncomfortable to lift that wax in the middle of hair there. So you can use the tip of your spatula, the waxy end of the stick here, press that into the strip that's on the body, and lift away, and you'll find that that lifts the edge up like so, and you can then remove as normal. You can also press the shiny side, the hair-free side of a recently removed strip into wax that's still on the body, press it in, and that will stick to the wax, give you a tab and a handle to pull from and remove as normal.